Shalom everyone. This Shabbat we will read Parashat Noach. Everyone talks about Noach. What kind of a leader was he? What kind of a person he was? And I would like to share with you today Perush Rashi, Rashi's commentary on Noach. Rashi states on the pasuk Et ha'elokim italech Noach that Noach followed Hashem's ways in the following manner. שנוח היה צריך סעד על כל צעד. That Noach had to be encouraged and had to be supported by Hashem on every step of the way. Unlike Avraham, that only at the beginning he was supported, but later on he did things by himself. What are the messages that we can learn from this Perush, from this explanation that Rashi offers to us? And I would like to suggest to you the following idea. Noach represents a person who is very obedient. He doesn't do anything wrong, but doesn't do anything that is tremendously right. Which means what? Noach was afraid and concerned of consequences. He said, I'm going to follow exactly what Hashem said. I will not deviate, yamin or small, right or left. I will follow exactly what Hashem told me, so there is no room for mistakes, and therefore I will not suffer any consequences. Noach was a great leader. The problem is, it's not inspiring. He cannot really influence people, but just obeying and being so obedient and not willing to take the next step, to be daring in a way, to take a decision, a personal decision, without knowing where it's going to lead you. It can create a tremendous positive influence or perhaps something negative, but you need to make a decision. But Noach couldn't do it. Avraham, on the contrary, took a different path in leadership. At the beginning of Avraham's life, he did not know if Hashem even exists. The Rambam, Maimonides, in the Laws of Avodah Zarah, in the introduction, describes Avraham's life as someone who is looking, is wondering, where is Hashem? Only later on Hashem revealed himself to Avraham and told him to leave and to go, and didn't even tell him to where. And Avraham went. Avraham made the decision, I'm going to Eretz Israel. And then later on, when Hashem told him about the Akedah, the binding of Isaac, and he didn't tell him a specific place, Avraham left. And only after 3 days, he saw the place. When Avraham entered the land of Israel and he saw that there is famine, he made a decision. He will go down to Egypt. He will go down to Mitzrayim to save his family. Were there consequences to it? When you look at the Ramban, at Nachmanides and other commentators, yes, perhaps there are consequences to the fact that Avraham left Israel without asking Hashem. But at the end, who was chosen to be the founder of Am Yisrael? It was Avraham. It was the one who questioned. It was the one who was wandering around, where is Hashem? This is the person who went on a quest to find Hashem. This is the person who made decisions, made mistakes, suffered the consequences, and grew from his decisions. This is perhaps one of the most important messages as leaders and as religious people. We need to know, not everything is going to be explained to us. Not everything we are going to understand. We cannot just do only the things that make sense to us, or we will be afraid of mistakes. Noach was not chosen to be the founder of Am Yisrael. Avraham was. Because holech umitchazek betzidko. Every decision Avraham made, he became stronger. He became more righteous. He became the true leader. Shabbat Shalom.